Hello everyone! Has anything crazy ever happened outside your front door? Maybe something like this?
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Well, I bet you wish you had a CCTV camera to capture it. Well, in this video, we'll take a look at some of the craziest moments caught on a doorbell camera. Anything from crazy neighbors to funny fails. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. If something like this ever happens to you, you might as well give up. What was he gonna do if he caught up with it? Turn into Spider-Man? Oh, I feel sorry for the person who has to clean up this mess. This police officer finishes a DoorDash delivery after the delivery driver was arrested.
14:30 hours.
No, I'm not who you're expecting, but your driver got arrested for things he had to take care of. So I figured I'd complete the DoorDash for you.
Thank you so much.
Take care.
Thanks!
And the Worst Mom of the Year award goes to... Cats or dogs? Which pet is your favorite? Well, this kid's answer is pretty obvious. Sometimes you look at drivers and just ask yourself, how did that person pass the test for a driver's license? Well, here's one of them. Wow, I wonder if this Xbox still works after the delivery guy did this to the package. It looks like this deer also wanted to be a part of the Christmas dinner.
FBI, open up!
So we've all heard about people stealing, but have you ever seen a dog do it? These homeowners got an alert in the middle of the night that there was a person in their front yard, but thanks to the Ring Home security alarm, they could quickly scare him away. Now, this kid was extremely close to being grounded for a week. Good save, kid. After a first date, these two went to the woman's house. After a while, the man said he forgot something in his car and went outside, but the funny moment was caught on the doorbell camera instead. Poor lady had just bought 2 pumpkin spice lattes, which is $7 she's never gonna get back after this happened. The next big NBA star caught on camera. This pumpkin who decided to run away. You're not gonna carve me up, lady! And here's the neighbor's cat just popping by to say hello to the camera.
Hello there.
And this guy who turns the boring chore of walking the dog into a dance party. This dog just loves to mess with the owner.
Let's go. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
This man didn't just deliver a package, he also left the homeowners a nice message.
I don't know what I'm doing, but this is a beautiful ass house. I just want to let y'all know this inspired me to motivate myself to do better, like for real. It's just off the top. Y'all have a good one.
And this wholesome moment showing a mother and her daughter having a snowball fight. Now these guys were up to something very suspicious.
Excuse me, girls. What are you doing? Get back in your cage.
This homeowner received packages from 3 different companies. See if you can tell the difference.
When I saw him, I know that this is,
Wow, who do you think delivered the package in the best way? And I sure hope you don't say the first one.
Are you? Are you?
When stepmom was at work, she got a motion alert from her Ring doorbell camera. She opened the live view and saw her stepdaughter getting ready to leave. All she wanted to do was say a friendly goodbye to her, but it didn't exactly work out that way.
Bye.
Oh my God! You're scared. Oh my God, it's Bart! Alright, I'll see you later! Oh my God!
How about Puppy? Puppy wanna play in the snow? Oh my God. Mommy got a snow bath. All for you, dog. I hope that's on Ring.
This daughter traveled more than 700 miles to surprise her mom on Christmas.
Oh my God.
Hey, 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 get away! Are you kidding me? It's at my front door. Rings up. I rip it open my box.
Did he hear you?
He ran.
Oh no! No way!
Which one of these clips was your favorite? Let us know in the comments section down below. And while you're down there, don't forget to like the video and subscribe with notifications turned on. See you next time!